What's up, guys? I'm making another exhaust video. I know it's my third one. The first time I just wanted something a little bit more, so then I saw someone took off their secondary cats, so then I did that, and then it got like really loud and like kind of too raspy loud, so then I was like, no, now I need to make it quieter. Eventually found someone that was running basically an AxleBack, the secondary cat delete, and then the Vibrant Resonators, because before I just had muffler delete, Vibrant Resonators, secondary cat delete, so it was like pretty much straight piped, and like it sounded good, like 2,000 RPMs, and like whenever you floored it and let it loose, it sounded nice. But that like 3,000 to 5,000 range, it was like really raspy, so whenever I'd be going up hills and stuff, it's pretty gross. So I didn't like to accelerate in that medium range. I either went all the way for it or I was like super slow. I don't know. I mean, I'm definitely gonna miss it being that loud. It was like kind of fun, but I needed something like less annoying. So I ordered the Rev9 AxleBack. I think I paid maybe it was 400 something. I don't know. I'll put the part in the description. That's how much it was. Me and my buddy installed it. The only issue that we had with the installation is it didn't have like the nuts. So like whenever we unscrewed it from like the X pipe or whatever, like the stock pipe that like Lexus has on there has like a nut on there, so you can't like take it off to put it with the other one, if that makes sense. It's like welded on there. So we went and bought one. I put that like picture of the nut we got in the video, so if you do the same thing, then I guess I saved you some time. Maybe I'm gonna have a couple clips of cold start, revving, and then I had my sister drive my car, just like pass me so I can get a video of it. It's not like an insane flyby. Eventually I'll get a better one. I've just been really busy, but yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Well, hopefully not another exhaust one, but we'll see. All right, see y'all. So much better.
It's way more refined sounding.
Yeah, it doesn't have like the rasps at the top.